Hey everybody, this is Morgan 183 with the unboxing of a Samsung Captivate, a Galaxy S phone. Okay, here it's an at&t phone. It just shows a picture of the phone. On this side, just some warranty stuff. Now here it says some specs about it, like the device specification: quad band edge, tri-band UMTS, display 4-inch WVGA, 480 by 800 pixels Super AMOLED, weighs approximately 4.5 ounces, 16 gigabyte storage memory, and so on and so on. And this side just says that it's a 4-inch Super AMOLED display, Android 2.2 platform, mobile hotspot and USB tethering, and 1 GHz processor. This is some more packaging contents, and I hear just the barcodes and stuff. Okay. Just in the store they had to activate it, so they actually already had to open it and everything. They already installed the battery, but I'm still just gonna open it. Just slide it open, and here's the box, the phone just sitting right there. Put that for the side for a little bit. Right here it has this little tab so you can pull open. Right here, just hold on. Out. Okay. Have some papers for, I don't know, stuff. And here is like your sort of manual. Your wire to plug into your dock adapter. Here. It's an outlet right here. The USB port. Some headphones and some earbud things. Set all that to the side real quick and get to the phone. Here's the phone. It's the nice plastic back. The 5 megapixel camera. You see it's Galaxy S right there. at&t, Samsung. Just up here, the charging cable, the 3.5mm headset jack. Think the power on and off button. The volume up and down switch, and that's basically it. Just power this on. at&t. Vodafone. There's a little bars. Some nice little animation there. S for Galaxy S. Okay. Try to show the password. There's basically the home screen. Just no background yet. What's also cool about this phone is that the live actual wallpapers, you're able to just like tap it, you can just play with it, I guess. Is the phone, the email button, or touch browser app and applications. Right here, just some standard Android locks. Right here it shows the 7 things already pre-installed, where you could install some widgets, shortcuts, folders, and wallpapers just whenever, basically. Okay, it's just right there, and you could just drag it to delete it, and there you go. It's been an unboxing of the phone. Thank you. Please subscribe, rate, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.